Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to VertiToy channel. This time, as you can see right in front of me, I have 4 brand new GTR from actually a fairly new brand. They're actually from ScaleBox /MCE out of Hong Kong. They have been releasing cars, I think, close to 1 year now. So this time, they have actually released very recently the GTR in 4 variants. The Avant being the latest one, and in this video I hope to bring you guys through it, and yeah, because it has been quite a buzz, because I think they have done quite a pretty damn good job on this GTR. Okay, so let's first take a look at the packaging. All right, so some of you who follow me on Instagram or even on Facebook, probably you have already seen photos of this guy. All right, yeah, and it has been superb. Okay, so this packaging wise is actually a pretty straightforward sleeve. We have always seen to be a norm in these premium diecasts recently. Okay, so there's only the LB LibertyWalk logo, and I noticed there's also the LibertyWalk logo right behind there. So I'm not sure if that is a new logo. I've not seen that before. If you do know, please let me know in the comment section below. All right, and then underneath it's pretty much standard. Okay, this is actually a precise and scaled resin and collectible display model product, so not suitable for kids under age of 16. Contains small and protruding parts. Please handle with extra care. Design, color, and specification of this product is subject to change without prior notice. Wear and tear, before accident, whatever. All right, I think that's pretty standard. So it has that official collaboration project with LB Performance. Okay, it has a sticker. I think this code is actually code for the car. Yeah, I think this is a code for the car. So the same car would have the same code, but a different variant will have a different code. Okay, so yeah, okay. This one probably I'll do it last, because I've already done photos and maybe some of you have already seen it. I definitely want to take a close look at this one, because all the packaging are pretty much the same. Okay, at the back, again, it's that logo. So I'm not that familiar with this one. It could be a new logo for LibertyWalk, so do let me know if you have any info on that. First things first, for these 3 variants, right, the white, the Chameleon, and the flash pink, the livery all look the same on the windscreen, on the back windscreen, on the back wing, the doors, the fenders, they all look pretty much the same, and also the print on the wheels. Okay, it's a Yokohama Avant wheels, and at the back it's actually very similar as well. So let's go straight to it. So all along the previous MCE ScaleBox cars that I have, right, is always only on 1 screw. However, this time they have maybe updated the production a little bit to make it to 2 screw. Okay, I'm always a little bit more nervous when I'm making a video on resin models. Truth be told, actually I kind of dropped my Avant before, and I kind of broke a little bit of thing. I'll come to that a little bit later. Okay, so yeah, having dropped this once on the table and breaking a few parts here and there, that makes me a little nervous. Okay, so this is actually solid white. Yeah, I will call it solid white with a black bonnet, and it looks pretty damn good. Up front, okay, from the front, one of the detail that I really like, and to me is better than any other brand so far that I know, it has the 2 pillars that holds the front diffuser, the front splitter. That detail is really crazy. And then you have this little detail here as well. Probably this is on the real car to actually release the pressure from the wheels, from the front fender. Okay, check that out. It has some print detail on the door handle as well. That's very, very nice. Okay, at the back, the brake lights. In scale model, I think this is done in a very quite realistic manner. Those brake lights, even the exhaust, the little detailing of that slight bluish purple. Yeah, can you see it? Let me zoom a little bit. There you go. Check that out. Look at the wing coming out from the back of the car. That looks so damn nice. Look how it stands on its own. Okay, and it's attached only to the bumper. Look at that. Okay, there's slight details on the inside. They're all black. There's slight details on the dashboard, but you can't tell much because it's all black. And the windscreen wiper is definitely a separate piece. Okay, it's not a shortcut. All right. Ooh, look at that. The little detail underneath on the front fender. Oh my god. I'm not sure if you can see it. I think, yeah, I can tell a little bit. There's actually the gold brake calipers. Yep, it's actually done in there as well. So yeah, damn, looks so damn good. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. We're gonna look at the Chameleon. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here. Two. Ooh. Here we go. Okay, so it's yeah, they call it a Chameleon. There's a slight hint of yellow, orange, I think, or gold. Yeah, I think gold is a closer color. So it's purple / gold. This one has, oh, the back spoiler is very glossy compared to the white. Yeah, the white doesn't have that gloss, so I'm guessing this one is not painted on. It's just the black wing behind, and this one is actually painted on black. Yeah, I'm just looking for any other further details underneath. Nope, no other details. But yeah, really crazy ass detail to it. Okay, check that out. Okay, I'll just let it zoom a little bit. Even on the bonnet, yeah, it's not just flat. There is actually a little grill there to let the engine breathe a little bit, to cool off a little bit, I would say. So that detail, they did not leave it out. So that is really, really awesome. Okay, so there is a GTR logo there. It's not in the middle, unfortunately. Yeah, so this one has it closer to the middle, the white, but the Chameleon has it slanted to the side a little bit. Okay, just let it zoom a little bit more so they can see the detail in front. Look at that. Even the lights, yeah, that to me it's actually quite realistic. I remember how the 1:1 scale lights, the real car, the lights are designed in that manner, 2 sections. Look at that. Even this little signature here. Ooh. LibertyWalk R. Look at that. It looks so damn good. Yeah, can you see under the lights there's a slight hint of gold, yellow here. Nice, very nicely done. Okay, all right, park that there, and then we'll look at the flash pink. Ooh, check that out. So yep, so far it's the same. It's all screw it on with 2 screws. And the chrome pink, it's really crazy. So this one has a little bit more of that rising sun design, okay, compared to the other two that doesn't have it. So that only has the LB tagline. Imagine all the people. Oh man, I've forgotten it. Imagine all the people bring life in peace. Yeah. So again, this spoiler is actually painted on. That's why you see the glossy black paint. The slight pinkish detail on the side. The detail on the door handle, on the front fender. Look at how this thing shines, man. Look at that. This is sick. This is crazy. So again, this one, the spoiler is slightly not in the middle. Oh, yeah, one part I forgot to tell you guys, it has a running number. So each of these variants are limited produced to 500. So yeah, do look out. If you have one of these, do look out for your number, okay? It's not the same number. It actually has a running number. That's nice. Very nice. Oh, breathe, MJ, breathe. Okay, so that's pink. Now we go to the Avant. So the story is, because usually these cars come in plastic packaging, and the plastic packaging, you know, with that plastic packaging, you can't really see that car clearly. So what I did was kind of to share this, because I had to share this with the gang. So I kind of took it out, and you know, we've been all looking at it, and yeah, because I have been taking it out, lifting it out from the acrylic cover every now and then, so it became very loose. Hence, there's once where when I lift it up, okay, when I lift it up like that, the whole base just fell out of my hand, and then it kind of fell this way around and fell right on the table, luckily. However, there was no visible scratches. However, I did break the back spoiler, okay, and one of the pillars did come off. So with the help of Legit64, I will tag them here. With the help of Legit64, they kind of helped me to put it back in one piece, and I'm really happy that they managed to put it back for me, and you know, without leaving any stains. And yeah, they've done a pretty damn good job for helping me putting it back on, and I'm really appreciative of what they helped me to do. So then again, so this one, what I'll do is I'll definitely take it out of the base so that we can actually check out what's underneath. And oh, what the hell, where did my screwdriver go? No, where did it go? Damn it. Okay, it's here, hold on, I'm back. Hang on. Okay, so I don't quite like that they use 2 screws to screw it on. That just makes it very troublesome for me to take it out, because unlike any of the other premium diecast so far that we have, it's usually in one screw, and then they always have that cradle that the car will sit on. This one does not have that, so it makes it a little bit more tricky to actually you remove it and put it back to the base. See, so it doesn't have that cradle, so it's just on a slight piece of plastic. Yep, plastic. Yeah, and it just sits like that. All right, so here we go. Yeah, if you're watching this in full HD, you probably see a little bit of my fingerprint. So yeah, I gotta be very careful with it. Okay, so underneath this time around, compared to the previous models, right, they usually do not do any details to it. However, this time around they decided to do it, and I think that is actually very nice. And yeah, they're actually screwed on 4 screws. This is the first time I'm seeing 1/64 scale done in this manner. Usually it's just one in the middle. So yeah, this is actually pretty crazy. The knocking, that sounds like plastic, doesn't sound like metal. Okay, so look at that, check that out. Look at the amount of details on this thing. Okay, let me just adjust the light so I can see better. There we go. Okay, are you drooling yet? So the wheels are threaded as well. Okay, that's a very nice detail. Yeah, it's with gold calipers. Oh man, look at that, look how it shines. The black and the red. This thing is mad. It just looks so damn good. Okay, so this one has the Avant branding printed onto the front splitter. Okay, there's some branding here as well. What is that? Oh, I can't really read it. It's really very small. Yeah, it's some sort of branding underneath. I can't really read it. So this one has slightly more details up front. So first one is the Avant branding on the splitter, and then where the GTR sits. Okay, this little gray color detail is there as well. So the previous 4, the other 4 doesn't have that. So this is slightly different. Slightly different. Okay, so these are racing models. They won't roll. All right. Yeah. See, they won't roll, which is fine. These are meant for display. So don't do it. All right. Don't do it. And they are really very fragile. So you gotta be very careful with it if you really want to take it out of the box. Me, I kind of prefer to leave it in the box on the display. Yeah, for these models, because they are really very nice. It's something to enjoy. I think to enjoy visually. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave it inside the packaging. Look at that. All right, cool. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking some close-up photos and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, vertitoys.mj. Okay. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my scale model videos. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.